So once you signed up with Reddit, you will be directed to your blank homepage right here. In order to fill this place up, you need Subreddit. You need to subscribe to topics that are in line with the niche of your content product. To begin, click My Subreddits and choose Edit Subscription. You will be directed to a page filled with subreddits. Over here, you can insert the topic that you are interested in. Below it is a range of subscriptions that you can subscribe to. Let's try typing your interested topic, for example, education. These are the subreddits that are available under education. Note how everything starts with R and / before the main topic, as I mentioned previously. Checking one of them will direct you to various related articles about the subreddit. You'll want this kind of article to show up on your home page. To do so, head back to the previous page and type the subreddit you are interested in. Each subreddit has the subscribe button next to it. Click a number of them to start adding your subscriptions. Then head to My Subreddits. Here you can find the overall list of your subreddits. Now, if you head back to your home page, you can see all the relating articles of the subreddits you subscribe to here. This is how you find subreddits related to your product and potential Redditors that might be interested in your content. Next, I'll show you how to be a Redditor to build your credibility.